Hi friends, welcome to today's video. So today again we are having another data sufficiency problem. So let's see the question. Find the area of square. The first statement given is diagonal of the square is 7.2 meter and second statement given is perimeter of the square is 20 meter. So let's analyze. Our first statement is diagonal of the square is given. So what is the area of the square? Area of the square will be equal to a square where a is the side of the square. When a is the side of a square, area of the square is equal to a square. So in the first statement, it is given like diagonal of the square is 7.2 meter. What is diagonal of a square? Diagonal of a square is given as root 2a. So root 2a is equal to 7.2 meter. So from this, will you be able to find out the area? Yeah, of course you can, because a you can easily find out. 7.2 divided by root 2, you will be getting the a, which is the side of the square, and by using this a you will be able to find the area as a square. So by using statement 1 alone you will be able to determine the answer. Now you should not stop here. Okay, now you have to analyze the statement 2 also. Now what is our second statement? Second statement is perimeter of the square is 20 meter. That means what is perimeter of a square? Perimeter of the square is equal to 4a. You are just adding the sides of the square. A square is having 4 sides. So a plus a plus a plus a is equal to perimeter, which is equal to 4a. So 4a is equal to 20 meter. So from that what you will be getting? A is equal to 20 by 4. You will be getting a, and once you get a, you can easily find out the area by a square. So from the second statement alone also you are able to answer the question. So if 1 or 2 alone sufficient, by using 1 alone you will be getting the answer. Also by using 2 alone you will be getting the answer. So 1 or 2 alone are sufficient. So your option is C. Now your second problem, triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. Find angle ABC. Okay, what is given? Triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. You don't know which is 90 degree. Right angled triangle means you will be having one angle is equal to 90 degree. But you don't know which angle is equal to 90 degree. Okay. That is not given. So triangle ABC is a right angled triangle and you have to find out what is angle ABC. Now what is the first statement? Angle BAC is 60 degree and angle BAC is 60 degree and angle BCA is smaller than angle BAC. So angle BAC is equal to 60 degree. Then angle BCA is smaller than angle BAC. That means angle BCA is less than 60 degree. Okay. So first statement is like angle BAC is equal to 60 degree and also angle BCA is also given. Angle BCA is less than 60 degree. So what does it mean? Angle BCA cannot be 90 degree. So if angle BCA is not equal to 90 degree and angle BAC is also not equal to 90 degree, so it is obvious that angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. That is what we have to find out here. So angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. You will be getting straight away from the first statement alone. Okay. So from the first statement alone you will be getting angle ABC. How did you do? Angle BAC is equal to 60 degree is given and angle BCA is less than 60 degree. So it cannot be 90 degree. Less than 60 degree means angle BCA cannot be 90 degree. So only the option left out is angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. So you will be getting angle ABC from statement 1 alone. Now what is statement 2? Angle A is equal to angle C. So what is that meaning? Second statement is given like angle A and angle C are equal. That means angle A cannot be equal to 90 degree and angle C also cannot be equal to 90 degree. Why? You know that sum of the 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So both the angles cannot be 90 degree. Angle A is equal to angle C. So that means both the angles A and C cannot be equal to 90 degree. So only option left out is angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle B means it is equal to angle ABC. So from the statement 2 alone also you are able to determine your answer like angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees. So what will be your option? Your option is equal to C. 1 alone or 2 alone are sufficient to answer the question. Thank you for watching.